Just to show you, I've installed these oilers on the lathe, and there we are. It looks quite nice. That's that one there, and that one over there, which is the two bearings on the 920 lathe. And because I made them like I did, they're just a press fit, very simple, and they work nice. It works out that every 15 seconds it does a drip, and that's with the bolt halfway out, because the bolts have got a flat on the side, which makes all the difference. And if you unscrew it, it obviously drips a bit quicker, but I find that that's enough. Just unscrew it a little bit and out it will come. This is Dave signing off. Don't forget, bits at the bottom, thumbs up, and we'll catch you all on the flip side. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again. Whoosh, we're gone.